creating a how to host using the GitHub pages, right? It's very simple. It's something that you can work with. It's something that you can get to learn. So right here I have a project GitHub host, and I've already created a repository for that. If you don't know how to create a repository and clone it to your PC, don't worry about that. I have a video where I covered that, so I'm going to drop it on the description, right? Alright, so let's quickly create something here. Okay, so I'm gonna call this order, right? And we'll just have this other pizza. Not much of CSS, just to demonstrate how to say buy pizza, just to demonstrate how to host using GitHub pages, right? So buy pizza, and we can just add something here. We can add a folder and call it JS. Let's go back, and within here we can add a file. We can call this script.js. Okay, so we save. Alright, so just something very simple. I'm gonna give this an ID just to see that it works really fine. Then I'm gonna see other button. So let's add so we can get rid of that. That's how I see. So going to JS, then we're going to script, yeah, script.js. Alright, so we have this. Then here we can say document dot get element by ID, and the ID is other button. Also dot add event list now. Okay, so I want to have a click, and then we can have an arrow function, right? Then we just want to say alert. You just purchased or just ordered your pizza or your chicken pizza. Oh, I love that a lot. So your chicken pizza. Ooh. Alright, okay, so we can choose to put the semicolon or not, so it doesn't matter. Alright, so let's test this out on our browser and see if it's working. Okay, you just ordered your chicken pizza. Wonderful. Alright, so we need to upload or push this stuff now, push this whole code to our repository. So I have my GitHub desktop open there, so I'm just going to say final project, just, and then you can give it a description, finished the app. So commit to main, then we push. Alright, great. So let's go back to our repository and we refresh. Alright, so we have the index.html, which is what we have there, and we also have the JS folder. Within the JS folder, we have the script.js, which is also what we have. All right, so this is the main point of this tutorial, where we have to host this mini app using GitHub. So we go to settings, and then on the left sidebar here we have pages, so you click on it. Okay, so before now I actually made the repository public, because when you make it private you can't use the GitHub pages except you upgrade, right? So you upgrade, get the plan, and upgrade to a higher level or access. But if you want to make use of the free version of this, then your GitHub repository have to be public, right? All right, so here on this ones we choose the main branch, some called, so you might see the master branch or the main branch, right? So right here we have just the main branch, so we want to get the root, and then we save. Okay, so your site is ready to be published at this. So I'm just going to open this in a new tab. Okay, site not found yet, so let's refresh. Not yet published, so we're going to wait for it for a while. All right, your site is being published. So you see right here we have our application. So we have this. Wow, you just ordered your chicken pizza, great. And then we have our title. So in the next tutorial I'll be explaining to you how you can update this particular um, website, right? How you can update this particular website. So what if we add something into this code and then we push it to the repository? How can we still find it in this our Git pages, right? So keep in touch. In the next tutorial I'm going to be explaining that in details. All right, thank you, and make sure you subscribe and click on that bell button there to get our videos whenever we upload. All right, thank you, stay safe.